Welcome to Deep Dumps. At Deep Dumps, our mission is to help you pass your certification exams with confidence. Gain access to the latest exam dumps, PDFs, and online practice tests, all carefully updated to match real exam patterns. With our exam-ready study material, you'll always have the right resources at your fingertips whenever you need them. Thousands of learners trust Deep Dumps, and top performers consistently rely on our material to clear exams on their very first attempt. We back you with 24/7 customer support via email or live chat. And our dedicated experts are always ready to solve your technical doubts and guide you step by step. Download important questions and answers in PDF. Practice with high-quality questions and detailed explanations, and move closer to guaranteed success. Visit deepdumps.com today and succeed in one go. Question 1. Which of the following conditions trigger FortiManager to create a new revision history? Choose 2. Option A. When configuration revision is reverted to previous revision in the revision history. Option B. When FortiManager installs device-level changes to a managed device. Option C. When FortiManager is auto-updated with configuration changes made directly on a managed device. Option D. When changes to device-level database is made on FortiManager. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option C. When FortiManager is auto-updated with configuration changes made directly on a managed device. Option D. When changes to device-level database is made on FortiManager. Question 2. What does the diagnose DVM check integrity command do? Choose 2. Option A. Internally upgrades existing ADOMs to the same add-on version in order to clean up and correct the ADOM. Syntax. Option B. Verifies and corrects unregistered, registered, and deleted device states. Option C. Verifies and corrects database schemas in all object tables. Option D. Verifies and corrects duplicate VDOM entries. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option B. Verifies and corrects unregistered, registered, and deleted device states. Option D. Verifies and corrects duplicate VDOM entries. Visit deepdumps.com now. Start your exam success today. Prepare smarter with Deep Dumps. Practice real exam questions. Download PDFs and revise with confidence.